Now that you've written a question on your piece of paper, I want you to pass it to the student on your left, and you're going to have 3 minutes to find the answer for that question. Once the 3 minutes are up, then you're going to then pass that section to the next student beside you. And so we're going to pass it so that each student is going to answer 3 or 4 questions from your peers. So it'll take about 10 to 12 minutes. And then we will look at your answers and what information that you have. So now that each of you have answered 3 or 4 of your peers' questions, return the paper back to the original owner who wrote the question. Let's go through and let's just talk for a few minutes. How did you find the answers? What clues did you have to help you, whether in the question or when you were looking through the text? And what I really like with this section is there's also a chance for feedback and looking at this information. What do you like about this process? What don't you like about this process? So what are the things that, was it too hard? Did you have difficulty in forming that type of question? Are some of the question types easier to form than others? Also, what strategies and clues did you use to answer the questions? So this helps you start to think about, there are clues sometimes grammatically or in the way the question is formed or the way that other questions are about the same information. They can help us to find the answers even if there's some vocabulary that we don't understand. Also, from these question types, which of these are most difficult to write? Which of them are most difficult to answer? And lastly, I will collect all of these questions with the answers that are written on them and go through and give you some scores. So this can do more of an informal assessment, how were you at writing these question types, but also then with getting some points for your answers to these question types for this.